My first language was Yiddish. My Baba lived with us. I really don't remember my grandfather, except that I remember his tutoring my brother to learn to read the prayers. I slept with my Baba, so she taught me how to say, how to lay in, and I'll say it how she said it, lay in Krishma. And when I grew up, I learned that that was Kriyashma, and I did it by rote. If you stopped me in the middle, I couldn't continue. She used to show off with me in the store. When somebody came, she'd say, Herr sagt zu, Rivka can lay in Krishma. But she had taught me to say it and then say Gute Nacht, because that was the last thing I was supposed to say and not talk. So in the middle of the day, that's what I did. I'd say, go through the whole thing, and I'd say Gute Nacht, and of course people laughed.